Salad dressings can be really problematic when you follow a whole food, plant-based, oil-free lifestyle, but I have a few in my repertoire that I'm going to share with you that I know you're going to love. Let's dig in. Salads without really good salad dressing, they basically suck. I'm going to show you salad dressing that doesn't suck, that you're going to love. Before I start, let me tell you that in a million years, I never would have thought you could make a really tasty salad dressing with sunflower seeds. I tried it on a whim and I was stunned by how delicious this dressing turned out. And really, I cannot wait to share it with you. I have this small blender, and the first thing I'm going to add to it is a half a cup of unroasted sunflower seeds. Next is going to be 2 tablespoons of white beans. These are cannellini beans. Those beans are going to give it some creaminess. Then I'm going to add a half a cup plus a couple tablespoons extra of water. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And the next thing I'm going to do is add, this is about 1/4 of an onion. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces so that the blender has an easier time with it. Into the blender. And it will last me definitely at least a week, if not 10 days. Okay, 1 garlic clove, but I have 2 little ones. That makes 1. A half a teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. 1. This is often used in whole food, plant-based, or vegan recipes because it adds a little bit of sort of cheesiness. And for those of us who do not eat dairy, it's a great substitute. I'm going to do a sprinkle of white pepper. And that's it for now, but I will be adding some dill and some chives. And here we go. It's going to make a lot of noise. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let me show you how creamy it is. I'm going to blend it a little bit more. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. I'm going to pour it into the jar. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon each of dried dill and dried chives. You could add other herbs too. You could add dried parsley. You could add more of an Italian like basil and oregano and thyme. But now we have this very, very creamy sunflower seed dressing, and nobody would know the difference if you didn't tell them that it didn't have any milk or sour cream or cheese in it. It looks very, very dairy-ish and creamy. And I can tell you that it is delicious. That is so ridiculously good. That, my friends, is dressing number 1, sunflower seed ranch dressing. Okay, the next dressing is a hummus soy yogurt. You can really use any yogurt of your choice. I like soy yogurt, but feel free to substitute whatever yogurt you like. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of my white bean hummus. You can use any hummus of your choice. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my plain soy yogurt. 1 tablespoon of water. 1 tablespoon of California balsamic garden dill mustard seed. You can use any balsamic. I'm going to give that a mix. This is a really quick dressing. You can thin it out more with either more water or more balsamic. Sometimes I will add dried dill and dried chives. I think I'm going to play a little bit and add a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. That is delicious. Okay, so that's dressing number 2. This is a very small amount. You can see by the little jar. You can always double, triple, quadruple the recipe, whatever your desire. I changed into my workout gear and I'm going to head downstairs to get some movement in. As a health coach, I'm always looking for ways to make movement easier at home. I'm giving this Yesoul bike a spin to see if I like it. What I love is how smooth it is, and quiet too. I can fit in a ride any time of the day, no matter what the weather is doing. It has this really sturdy holder for my iPhone or iPad, so I can follow a workout or catch up on whatever I'm binging. The magnetic resistance is a game changer. I can go from a flat road to a steep hill with a quick turn of this knob. One of my favorite features of this bike is that the screen rotates, so I can turn it and then I can lay down on my mat and I can do a yoga class or a strength training class. It's fabulous. It's also Bluetooth enabled, which opens up so many options for my workout. You can use the Yesoul app or any other fitness app of your choice. One of the best parts of this bike is that it supports wireless casting. You can actually mirror your phone or your iPad onto the screen. And the wireless means that you can also watch cooking videos, like my cooking videos. It also comes with all the essentials: a place for your water bottle, a very cushy seat, and secure cages for your shoes. By the way, check the description below my video for a $100 coupon that you can use to buy your Yesoul spin bike. Ride finished, I'm feeling so energized and ready for the rest of my day. The third dressing we're going to make is a thinner one. It's based on a dressing from the Yesoul family, but I add a little bit of my own zhuzh to it. So I have regular old, this is organic balsamic, the dark vinegar, and I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons. There's 1, 2. This is white balsamic. You can use more of the California balsamic or any balsamic of your choice. I just like to have the white because I think it thins it out a little bit. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Dijon and another not quite full. I don't like to have 2 full tablespoons, so you can see it's a little bit under. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. This is the basic 3-2-1 from the Yesoul. I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice. This was from half of a lemon. I like the freshness that the lemon gives it. I'm going to start with a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to add some fresh garlic. I'll start with that amount. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. So start with just a little bit less than you normally would and then add as needed. You can always also use garlic powder. I'm going to give it a taste. Oh, that is really good. It's a little tart, but I don't mind it. It's really tasty. If I wanted to make it a little bit thicker, I might add a little bit of this California balsamic. It's a thicker balsamic, just a little. Okay, and then I think you can see it's not that well incorporated, so I'm going to use a stick blender. Much thinner. I think that the lemon, not only does it give it some brightness, but it also helps to tone down the tartness of the vinegar. So there you go, this is my third one. I love to save these Grey Poupon Dijon mustard jars. I use them for storing vinaigrette. So there you go. We have 3 salad dressings. The first one is the sunflower seed ranch dressing. The second one is the hummus yogurt creamy dressing. And the third one is the 3-2-1 with a little bit of a tweak to it. All of these salad dressings are going to turn your salad into something spectacular that you're going to want to lap up every single piece of lettuce and carrot and cucumber and olive, and all of that goodness is going to get enhanced by one of these dressings. If you got value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and make sure to smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss any more of my plant-based goodness. My name is Ellen of Ellen's Healthy Kitchen, and I help you plant your plate one healthy meal at a time. Until the next video, bye for now.